in partnership with CommSec.
Joining us from CommSec is Tom Piotrowski. Tom, good morning to you. I'm seeing a lot of red out there overnight. What's going on?
Well, Kenny, it's a good question. It's a simple question that you can answer reasonably simply as well. You know, at the beginning of this year, looking ahead, one of the biggest catalysts was going to be the US election. We're only moments away from that. We're seeing the conclusion of the month of October in the Northern Hemisphere this day. And as a result, I suppose if you were really going to simplify it, investors are taking some money off the table. They're lessening their risk profile ahead of the US election, and that's being reflected in the fortunes of these equity markets. So in the case of Wall Street, what stands out is the decline in technology stocks. The Nasdaq is down by almost 2.5% as we speak right now, with the market about to close in 15 minutes. What investors are responding to in particular earnings from Microsoft and Meta. Whilst these figures were in line with the market's expectations, what's sticking in the craw of investors is that with the vast sums of money that are being invested into the AI theme, you're not necessarily hitting that seam of gold in terms of the return at this stage. You know, the dream has been spoken about. Now it's time for delivery as far as analysts are concerned. It's not evident yet, and that's why you're seeing an acute sell-off in all of those names that have run up so hard in recent weeks and months. So Microsoft and Meta shares are down by around 5% as we speak. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, which is a good measure of these stocks, is down by around 4% in this session, and it's fallen by as much as 8% over the course of recent days from peak to trough. So that gives you a sense of where the fault lines are in the US market at the moment. Today, the futures are pointing to a decline for the ASX 200. We're expected to be in negative territory to the tune of about 0.25% when trade gets underway.
Okay, Tom, we'll check in with you again and get the latest update on that.